In this video I'm going to show you how to save pictures from Pinterest to your phone's gallery. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up your Pinterest application and let's say I want to save some picture to my device, and all I have to do is to firstly open up that picture, and now here at the top right hit at these three dots icon and there select download image. I just hit a download image and it brings us the different options, but here I just have to hit at close because that picture has been just saved to my phone's gallery. I can open up my photos and as you see, that picture is already here. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.